Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to manage multiple user profiles in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know how to manage multiple user profiles in Google Chrome? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Chrome and not sure how to manage multiple user profiles in Google Chrome. So today I am going to show you how to manage multiple user profiles in Google Chrome. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Managing multiple user profiles in Google Chrome is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Google Chrome browser. Now on right top corner, you are seeing logo. Click on it. These are multiple user profiles. You can manage all profiles at a time. If you are willing to add a new profile, scroll down and click on add. You can sign in or continue without signing in. There you go. If you wanted to know how to manage multiple user profiles in Google Chrome, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.